I made 18 grand. No AdSense. It's true. It's damn true. Everyone tells you to wait for AdSense before you make money on YouTube. That's a lie designed to keep you broke. I made $18,864 from my first video before YouTube paid me a single dollar. $229 per sale, over 80 sales, 0 subscribers. First week, $500. First month, over $3,000. 1 year, 1 video, nearly $19,000. Most creators wait 6 months for monetization. 1,000 subs, 4,000 watch hours. I skipped all that. No AdSense, no brand deals, no sponsors. Just affiliate marketing. Think it's fake? Here's the proof. I'm showing you the exact product, the exact platform, the exact method. You can copy this in 2026. Better tools, better products, faster results. $229 per sale. Imagine 10 sales. That's $2,290. Imagine 50 sales. That's $11,450. I got over 80. You only need 3 to make $600. Links to everything in the description. Let's go. First question, what product pays $229 per sale? Not dropshipping, not merch, not low-ticket junk. Step 1, find a high-ticket product on Digistore24. $200 to $500 commission per sale. See those numbers on the right? That's how much you can make for 1 sale. I promoted Tube Mastery and Monetization, Matt Parr's YouTube course. Price was $497 when I got it. Commission, 50%. Digistore24 takes 8%. I kept $229 per sale. Do the math. 5 sales equals $1,145. 10 sales equals $2,290. 50 sales equals $11,450. I got over 80 sales. That's $18,864. Most people promote $10 products. Wrong. You work just as hard promoting $10 or $500. Same effort, different paycheck. $10 product, you need 1,000 sales to make $10,000. $229 product, you need 44 sales to make $10,000. Which sounds easier? Here's what you do right now. Go to Digistore24.com, free account, click Marketplace, digital products only, filter by earnings per sale, highest first. Look for $200 to $500 commissions. Check 3 things fast. 1, good sales page, would you buy it? 2, refund policy, 60-day refund builds trust. 3, proven niche, YouTube, business, health, wealth, these convert, always. I picked Tube Mastery because I took the course. I knew it worked. That authenticity shows. People trust real reviews over hype. Now here's the 2026 version. If I started today, I'd promote Tube AI. Free training in the description. Matt Parr's AI upgrade, built for faceless channels. Why? AI is what people search for now. Same method, updated product, higher demand. That's it. You found your $200 plus product. 1 sale pays $200. 5 sales pays $1,000. Next, making the video that sells. You have the product. $229 per sale waiting. Now what? Step 2, make a long-form honest review. My video was 10 minutes, detailed, thorough. Not a 3-minute hype pitch, a real breakdown. Here's what broke creators do wrong. Buy this now videos. 3 minutes long, no trust, no value, 0 sales. You need depth, you need honesty, but you don't have video skills, you have AI. Here's the system. Open ChatGPT, type this, write a YouTube script reviewing product name. Include what it is, who it's for, what's inside, pros and cons, and price. Make it 2,000 words. ChatGPT gives you the foundation, but listen carefully. This is important. ChatGPT can confidently give you the wrong answer. It might miss key features. It might make stuff up. If your review is wrong, 0 sales. Here's what I recommend. Buy the product, use it, know it. Then use ChatGPT to organize your thoughts, not to replace your experience. My review was authentic because I took the course. I showed what's inside. That authenticity converted viewers into buyers. For voiceover, 11 labs. Clone your voice. For visuals, Pictory. Paste script, finds clips automatically. Or screen record, show the product dashboard, show modules. For thumbnails, pixels, built for YouTube clicks. My video was simple, faceless, me talking, screen recordings, nothing fancy, but thorough and honest. I covered what the course teaches, who it's for, the price. I mentioned the 60-day refund, removes risk. I explained my affiliate link, full transparency. Production time back then, 3 to 4 hours. With AI now, 90 minutes total. You get a 10-minute review people trust. A review that made $229 per sale. Next, getting people to actually watch it. 0 subscribers. How do you get 4,505 views? This is the part that unlocks everything. Step 3, optimize for search and package for clicks. I had 0 subscribers when I uploaded. 4,505 views, over 80 sales, $18,864 total. How? YouTube search and smart packaging. Here's what I did. Title: I took the Matt Parr Tube Mastery and Monetization Review. Why this works? People searching for reviews. High intent, ready to buy. Description: what the course covers. My affiliate link first line. Discount mentioned. Tags: Tube Mastery, Matt Parr, YouTube automation, cash cow channels, basic SEO. That's it. Thumbnail, big text, Matt Parr's face, word, review. Simple, clear, gets clicks. Now here's the 2026 upgrade. Use Tube Magic, Matt Parr's AI tool, warp upload feature, paste your video link, generates titles, descriptions, tags, all optimized based on what's already working. Or use ChatGPT. Type this: give me 10 title options for a review video about product. Make them SEO friendly and clickable. Pick best. Pixel scores your thumbnail. Tells you if it's too busy. 3 elements max. Face, text, object. Now your video shows up in search. Your thumbnail gets clicks. Even with 0 subscribers. You get views. 4,505 views turned into over 80 sales. 80 sales times $229 equals $18,864. Next, converting views into $229 sales. Views don't pay bills, sales do. Here's how you turn viewers into $229 buyers. Step 4. Make buying easy. 4,505 views, over 80 sales. That's 1.8% conversion. Sounds low? At $229 per sale, it's nearly $19,000. Here's how I converted. 1. Affiliate link in description. First line: try Tube Mastery and Monetization today and get a $500 discount. Click the link. Clear, direct, can't miss it. 2. Multiple CTAs throughout. Beginning, link in the description. Middle, if this sounds good, link below. End, ready to start, link is waiting. Repeat it, people forget. 3. Full transparency. This is my affiliate link. I earn commission if you buy. No hiding. Honesty builds trust. Trust drives $229 sales. 4. Remove all friction. 60-day money-back guarantee. Try it risk-free. Payment plans available. Don't need $497 up front. Make it easy. More people buy. 5. Show proof and results. I explained what the course taught me. I showed my progress. Not millions, real progress. People don't need perfection, they need proof. I gave it. Over 80 people clicked and bought. $500 in my first week. 2 sales. That paid for the course I bought. Instant profit. 2 sales equals $458. Course paid for itself. Every sale after that, pure profit. Sale 3, $229 profit. Sale 10, $1,832 profit. Sale 50, $9,145 profit. I hit over 80 sales. You only need 10 to make $2,290. Next, scaling beyond one video. One video made $18,864. What if you made 5? Here's the multiplier effect. Step 5. Repeat with different products. You don't stop at one video. You make more. Different products. Same method. I made more videos. Pictory review. $200 commission. Tube Magic review. $150 commission. In-video review. $180 commission. Multiple videos. Multiple income streams. Each earning independently. Video 1 makes $18,864. Video 2 makes $10,000. Video 3 makes $8,000. Video 4 makes $7,500. Video 5 makes $6,000. Total, $50,364 from 5 videos. Digistore24 has hundreds of products. Pick 5, make 5 reviews. Upload 1 per week. My first video, still making sales a year later. That's passive income. Here's the 2026 stack. Review AI tools, SaaS products, YouTube courses, promote Tube AI, promote Pictory, promote software. Most have affiliate programs. They pay high commissions. Some even pay you monthly. ChatGPT helps organize scripts. Pictory makes videos. Pixels creates thumbnails. Tube Magic optimizes uploads. You're using the tools while promoting them. Result? 5 videos, 5 income streams, compounding to $50,000 plus. Let's recap the system. Step 1. Find high-ticket product on Digistore24. $200 to $500 commission. Check it's good. Step 2. Make long-form honest review. Buy the product first. Know it. ChatGPT helps organize. Pictory makes video. Pixels makes thumbnail. Step 3. Optimize for search. Title includes product name and review. Link first line of description. Tube Magic or ChatGPT for optimization. Step 4. Make buying easy. Link in description. Multiple CTAs. Full transparency. Mention refunds. Remove friction. Step 5. Repeat with different products. 5 videos. 5 income streams. $50,000 potential. Here's what AI does. ChatGPT organizes review scripts in 10 minutes. Saves 2 to 3 hours. Pictory turns scripts into videos automatically. Saves 5 to 8 hours. 11 Labs clones your voice. Saves 1 to 2 hours. Pixels creates click-optimized thumbnails. Gets 2 to 10x more clicks. 2 Magic optimizes uploads. Gets discovered faster. You don't need subscribers, don't need audience. You need one good review. One $200 plus product. The rest is execution. I made nearly $19,000 from my first YouTube video. $229 per sale. Over 80 sales. $500 in the first week. 0 subscribers. I can't guarantee everyone will make $18K on their first video, but even $500 pays for the course and proves the method works. If you want the updated 2026 version, click the link in the description to watch Matt Parr's free Tube AI training, where Matt breaks this down. Tube AI is what I promote today. AI tools, faceless channels. Quick note, some links in this video are affiliate links. I may earn commission if you sign up. No extra cost to you. I only recommend tools I actually use. Someone else is watching this right now. They're opening Digistore24, picking a $200 product, making their first sale. Will you just watch? Or will you make your first $229 this week? If this helped, smash that like button. Comment which product you're reviewing first. Subscribe. I break down what's working every week. Your move. What you're gonna do.